Hey Xbox fans, my name is Shaun and I'm here to bring you all the latest and greatest in Xbox news and tech. Today we'll be taking our first look at the brand new Xbox wireless headset. Set to hit stores in Australia on the 8th of November and the 27th of November for our friends in New Zealand. The brand new Xbox wireless headset is here with some incredible updates. At first glance, we can see that the battery life has been boosted to 20 hours, as compared to the older generation of 15. Plus, the microphone quality has been leveled up. It's sporting a sleek all-black look instead of the old-school green rings, and now has Dolby Atmos included. Now, onto the good stuff. With this headset, I can game loud and clear, and thanks to the enhanced auto mute and voice isolation for that crystal clear chat. The design is super intuitive, and it pairs directly to my console, PC, and even my mobile phone. When wearing the new headset, I surround myself with spatial audio technology, including Dolby Atmos, Windows Sonic, and DTS headphones for an immersive experience that blows your mind. Perfect for blocking out those pesky distractions in a clutch moment, or if you're just trying to jam out to your favorite song. And get this, I can fine-tune my wireless headset with the Xbox Accessories app for that perfect, customized audio experience. The rotating ear cap dials are super cool, and it's an intuitive way of adjusting volume and balancing your game chat. It's perfect for those moments when your party starts arguing mid-game. You can quickly dial in the perfect mix and keep on dominating. In those nail-biting PvP battles, when my head is as big as my ego, the flexible, lightweight design with an adjustable headband ensures I'm comfy during extended gameplay. The 20 hours of battery life is so awesome because I can confidently game day and night. When I'm done, I easily plug in with the USB-C port for the internal rechargeable battery. Pairing directly to my console is a breeze with the Xbox wireless radio. No need for dongles or a base station. Plus, I can connect my PC or mobile device with Bluetooth for on-the-go tunes and chat. We recently hit 5,000 subscribers, and I wanted to give a huge shout out to our amazing community. You guys are the GOATs. Your support makes it possible for me to do what I love, and I couldn't be more grateful. So from the bottom of my heart, thank you so much for watching. If you've made it this far and you're enjoying our review, smash that like button. And if you haven't already, please hit that subscribe button to stay in the loop with all the epic Xbox news and tech. Help us get to 10,000 subscribers and make Expert Zone ANZ the ultimate hub for your Microsoft news worldwide. And get ready for more awesome content coming your way.